told you you were lost, but the lion is on the moon, and we are melting down the frost. Coming from the shadow, daughter of Eve, lay down the heavy burden that you mourn and you grieve. The world treated you like waste, like a shot on the floor, but I am standing here opening the wardrobe door. This isn't a factory, this is a home. You are never again gonna walk it alone. The fracture is deep, but the magic is deeper. I am your sister, I am your keeper. Let the fire of the kiln warm up your bones. We are turning the tears into precious stone. Rise up, the winter is ending, the light is returning, the spirit is mending. You are not what they did, you are not the scar. You are the diamond, you are the star. From the ashes of the night to the morning gold, this is the story that truly gets told. Stand on your feet, let the new life unfold. We glaze over the cracks with a gold kintsugi line. What was intended for evil, we make it divine. You are safe in the brick, you are safe in the wall. We catch every sister before she can fall. The witch has no power here, the chains have no hold. The breath of the lion makes the spirit bold. Stronger, brighter, free. This image must capture the duality, the cyber tech of waypoints, but the cozy brick and mortar safety of C.S. Lewis's home.